I must know what awaits me at the end of this rope, so I do not give up. All my problems have a solution. I choose to fully participate in my day. I surround myself with people who treat me well. My friends do not judge me, nor do they influence what I do with my life. Wonderful things unfold before me. I replace my anger with understanding and compassion. I feel the love of those who are not physically around me. I take pleasure in my own solitude. Following my intuition and my heart keeps me safe and sound. I take responsibility for my successes and my failures. Time is my friend. I finish all the tasks I need to finish. I desire to learn new things. I am constantly improving. I will accept nothing but the best. I will master distractions and keep my focus on my goals. I am committed to becoming the person I will become. When my need is strong enough, I will find a way. My focus on success is unwavering. My priorities are clear. I work to finish my most important tasks first. My goals are getting closer to completion every day. I am grateful for the things I have. My mind, body, and soul are fit and strong. Negative self-talk has no place in my life. I will stop apologizing for being myself. Self-love is a natural state of being. My opinion matters. Positivity is a choice that I choose to make. I choose hope over fear. My commitment to myself is real. My confidence knows no limits. Even outside my comfort zone, I will be comfortable in my own skin. If I fail, I will fail forward. My every desire is achievable. The only person who can defeat me is myself. I will say no when I do not have the time or inclination to act. The success of others will not make me jealous. My time will come. I am confident in the presence of others. Happiness is within my grasp. Other people will not take advantage of me. There is nobody better to get the job done than me. Everything will work out for me. My fears of tomorrow are simply melting away. I wake up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. My life is just beginning. I am conquering my illness. I am defeating it steadily each day. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. My future is an ideal projection of what I envision now. I am courageous and stand up for myself. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. Many people look up to me and recognize my worth. I am admired. Today, I abandon my old habits and take up new, more positive ones. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ways. Happiness is a choice. I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. Today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. I have been given endless talents and we begin to utilize them today. Happiness is home. Every time I rest my awareness on something joyful, I bring more joy to my life. I am in the process of positive change. Life is so enjoyable when I first accept the way things are and then work with them. I am capable of taking tiny steps forward into a life I truly love. There's a certain joy that I tap into when I'm present. A certain gratefulness emerges. I engage in activities that bring me further into joy. A negative thought is merely a miracle that has yet to bear its fruit. I welcome that transformation. I offer more energy to what I do, want, like, and enjoy. I contain the capacity to transform anything into something positive. I can choose happiness whenever I really want to. I have an innate capacity to extract joy from common themes. I strengthen my connection to joy by appreciating life's mystery and wonder without needing to understand it logically. The world around me feels better, new and alive. I bring the pleasure of the past and the future into the present moment. I am the creator of my mood. I am the creator of how I experience my experience. I move with greater love in the world, and there is stillness inside my soul. I find joy in stillness. There is such a thing as sacred idleness. I created sacred time for myself to connect to my deepest, highest part of myself. I practice welcoming the present moment at every moment. I feel the grace in myself and I accept it. Anything I feel I can have, I have. The world is mine and I will do with it as I please. Peace is my nature. Right now I am safe and I am okay. I am perpetually moving with life, one breath at a time. I can control the things I need to control for a deep sense of peace. I am devoted to the space between thoughts. I am willing to release what I had planned so something new can manifest. A peaceful perspective pervades every conscious decision I make. Life responds to my deep desire to tap into abundance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I measure my success by how much fun I'm having. I'm open to accepting all forms of abundance that are on their way to me. Life becomes so giving when I am generous. All of life's truest riches are within my reach. I have more than enough time for everything that I love. I delight and praise the good fortune and success of others. The spark that burns in them also resides in me. I have everything I need right here and right now to fully engage with life. I transform every obstacle into an opportunity. I am eternally grateful for the abundant intelligence that brought me here. In every waking moment, I touch the depth of life and experience my own expansion. I am connected to boundless abundance, creativity, and potential. I am a magnet for miracles. I am grateful for every gift that has been given, have now, and have yet to receive. The universe always has my back and is supporting my highest good.